Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep into your desktop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to use Google Keep, either you'll have to install this Google Keep application into your device or you can directly use it from your web browser. Now just simply open Google Keep from anywhere, and after opening Google Keep, you will see this type of homepage into here. Now you don't have to do much in order to use this application. Start by taking a note into here. In order to take note, just simply tap into this take a note option and you can create your note into here. This way, as you can see here, note is already created. You can do a lot of customizations and put some reminders and make the list into here. And this way you can easily use your Google Notes into desktop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.